sa iyong mga mata at ang takot ko sakali bang ika'y mawawala. Ika'y mawawala. At ngayon nandyan ka na, di pa paliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di pa aasahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. At sa wakas ay nahanap ko na rin ang aking tanging hinihiling. Pangako sa'yo na ika'y uunahin at hindi na itatanggi. Ang tadhanang nanap ko sa iyong pagmamahal at ang takot sa magtatagal. At ngayon nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di pa aasahin, hindi ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. Baba lang. Mapumiyok tayo dito eh. Diba? Mapumiyok tayo eh. Binabahan ko lang ba eh. Kasi atong mataas yan eh. Hindi ka na mag-iisa, palaging hawak ang iyong mga kamay. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako habang buhay, tayo lang. Bricks, thank you so much. Bricks Love Jan, thank you so much po. Thank you. Thank you so much po. Next song is brought to you by we were always one, babe, for a moment in time, and it seems everlasting that you will always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly. Tas, and you know in my heart, babe, tas be, oh, love will never die, no. Tas be, parang pinapagod niyo ako. Oh, you will always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, you can't can't escape me. Ooh, darling, could you always be my baby, my baby? You will linger on. Time can't erase a feeling this strong. No way you're gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, could you always be my baby, my baby? I ain't gonna cry now, and I want you to stay. And if you're determined to leave, boy, I will stand in your way. But inevitably, you'll be back again. 'Cause you know in my heart, babe, our love will never die, no. Oh, you will always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Boy, don't you know you can't escape me. Oh, darling, 'cause you always be my baby. And you linger on. Time can erase a feeling this strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me. Oh, darling, 'cause you always be my baby. Yeah. I know that you'll be bad, but when the days and nights get a little bit closer, oh, tapos, alam nyo, ang bala ko sana, jamming session sa Mansari ng 24. With Brixie. Kaso nasa SG siya. Actually, balak namin. You will always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Oh, don't you know you can't escape me. Oh, darling, 'cause you always be my baby. Yeah, will always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can erase a feeling this wrong. Oh. Joke lang, di pa pala tapos, no? Pero yun lang. Pero it's fine lang, guys. Okay lang naman. Wala mang problema. Diba? Oh, may uubay. Pwede pa naman umuwi. Eto. Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang kakapit. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, ibigin pa rin kita kahit ayaw mo na. Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw, lalamon ng sabon. Joke lang. Joke lang.